up, friends? I've got some information for you today. Our annual pre-Black Friday sale is back. This is our biggest, craziest sale. Say that 5 times fast. Busy, craziest sale. Busiest, craziest sale. Busy, craziest sale. Of the entire year. Okay, real talk. In my industry, that first half of November is prime shopping time. Whether you're wanting something that's pre-made, no fuss, no muss, just hang it up, it looks pretty, it's done. Or if you're shopping for a gift, like say for your neighbor, your favorite neighbor, grandmother, your coworker, someone who's just really hard to shop for because they have everything or whatever. Everybody likes getting a new wreath, just saying, it's facts. Or if you're needing supplies to do your own decorating, like for your, and I'm not just talking wreaths here, okay? For your Christmas tree, for your gift wrapping, for your banisters. You need stuff for that. You mostly need ribbon for like all of those things. Every one of them. Now is when you're gonna find it with the best availability and like on top of it, on sale. And like a really good sale, by the way. This is the sale that our friends look forward to all year long. Let's talk details. Finished wreaths, finished table decor, 30% off. 30% off. You heard me right. Accessories including bows and signs and enhancements and all that good stuff, that's 15% off. Ribbon is 15% off when you buy 3 or more. And mystery boxes are 10% off, which is already like a crazy great deal because mystery boxes in and of themselves are a really great deal. You're already getting a ton of stuff at a discounted price, and then we're gonna take another 10% off. Crazy good deal. Check those out. All right, friends, this sale only runs from Friday, November 6th through Saturday, November 14th. Let me double check that, make sure I got it right. Friday, November 6th to Saturday the 14th. I got it right. Unless you're on the email list, okay? You friends are getting an extra week of this sale. So you have 2 weeks to shop these incredible savings that we only do once a year. This is building up to like epic Black Friday, but like right now, when you actually are wanting to buy this stuff. So I'll include the link in the post. So be ready, friends. It's our craziest, busiest sale. Saying that 5 times fast doesn't work. Because here's the thing. If you wait till Black Friday, there's a good chance that what you've been eyeing is not gonna be there. All right, friends. Thanks so much for hanging out. Bye. Okay, so first let's do just a dry run through. Okay, here we go. Information. So, real talk. I already said that. I don't need to say that again. It was good the first time. So I'm going to redo our details because that was boring the first time. These bad boys are coming off. They're coming off real soon. And you're gonna know because I'm gonna be like, all the time. For all my maker friends, like, you'll understand this. An SEO expert walks into a bar. Bars, pub, tavern, public house, Irish pub, drinks, beer, alcohol. Oh yeah, SEO. What's a good way to finish this out? Have a great day, friends. Goodbye.